Hello everyone, welcome back to Travel Vlogs. Nice to see you all again with one more new video about this unmatching place. To start with, I have posted few sample videos. Can you even guess which is this place I am talking about? To give you hints, this is not America, this is not Australia, this is not Europe. The place that stood best in the world in everything. Unmatching developments with skyscrapers, striving to achieve more and more in every field. This is Dubai, United Arab Emirates, prettiest city of most beautiful country in the world. Can we even imagine that this kind of transformation is possible in a desert? The country is live example to the entire world that right leadership can achieve with the support of locals and nationals anything and everything. United Arab Emirates and Dubai has so many things to talk through. I have selected 4 unique places to cover in this video. Before we start, please subscribe my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. I have posted the videos across the world with a detailed description. Please like, subscribe and share Travel Vlogs. So let's start with the first one. The place is called Ras Al Khor and it's very close to the city. Birds migrate to the wetland of Ras Al Khor every year, and this area is protected by Dubai municipality. Dubai skyscrapers and world's tallest building Burj Khalifa is visible from here. Ras Al Khor wetland is closely monitored and protected by Dubai municipality. However, there are 3 bird hides along the perimeter of this fencing for bird lovers. Among all the species of birds migrate here, flamingos steal the show in the winter. If we look closer among the mass, we will be able to spot other birds such as grey herons, great egrets, cormorants, stilts, sandpipers, and so on. Little more about flamingos. Did you know that knees of flamingo cannot bend? What you see down there on the leg is ankle, and flamingo knees are much above near the body. They look really very different and funny because of their long curvy neck. Another interesting part of their body is flat feet. This helps in walking on the water and also it helps to take off before flying. And flamingos have 6 different species. They live for 20 to 30 years. From Ras Al Khor, we are now heading to a place called Al Barari. This is a real estate development area. The amount of plantation grown on the sand made it look like a forest. This area will make you feel like you are in a different world altogether. Thought of appreciating and highlighting this human effort. From here we are heading to Miracle Garden. This is world's largest natural flower garden. 72,000 square meter area flower garden operates from November to May. This was launched on 2013 Valentine's Day, has been very popular tourist destination of Dubai. 150 million flowers are arranged in colorful arches and patterns. Now we are in the place called The Garden. This is one more unbelievable development which will make you feel like you are in very nature. Trees, plants, greenery, and the birds will make you feel like you are in forest.
Boom. I love it when it flaps because it fits into the wind.
From here, we are heading to a place called Al Khudra. There are two different developments here. The first one is this lake, what you see here, and the second one lately added, which is called Love Lake. Birds and fishes have made this place a popular tourist destination. With this, we are coming to the end of this video. Hope you have liked it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel Travel Vlogs for more such videos. So see you again with one more new video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.